So today we are going to be doing cluster lashes. If you're not familiar with cluster lashes, they're similar to doing individual lashes, but it's a whole bunch of lashes that come clustered together. This is a great alternative if you want your lashes done, but maybe you can't make it to your lash appointment, or you just need something quick and affordable. I needed my lashes done because I was going on a trip, and so I got cluster lashes because I wasn't able to make it to my lash appointment. The lashes that I'm using in this video, I'm going to link below in the description box, so definitely take a look at that. And I start off with the longer lashes first on the ends, and then as I work my way to the middle, I use the medium lashes, and then once I get to the inner corner eye, I use small lashes. So it's kind of giving a cat eye. You'll definitely see this towards the end of the video. The tool that I'm holding in my hand, it's like a small, tiny mirror. A lot of lash artists use this when they're lashing their clients just to see how the lashes are looking from a different angle and point of view. So I'm actually using this to see the same thing on my lashes, and I'm also using it so I can see what I'm doing close up. So in front of me, I have a vanity mirror, and then what I'm holding is a small, tiny lash mirror so I can be able to look at my lashes from underneath and over top. As I put the lashes on top, I use my eyelash mini fan, and what that does is just dries the lashes in place so that I can continue lashing without waiting a long time. On the corner of my eye, I have a lash tape. So that's used to pull my inner corner out so that I can easily apply the lash cluster. It's a lot harder to put the lashes in the corner eye if you're not using the tape to adjust your eyelid. So continue watching this video and watch me work my magic, honey. This literally saved my life because I told you I had to go on a trip to Florida and my lashes was like not okay. And voila, these are what my lashes look like as the end result. They are giving, honey. They are giving lash extensions. This is what clusters can do. You can get them in different shapes, sizes. Sometimes they have them in colors, but I'm telling you, this was so easy to do and it's so affordable, so quick. Try it out.